What's up, guys? We are back here at one of my favorite auctions in town, man. It's looking like they didn't sell a lot of the cars last week, unfortunately, man. So let's get right into it. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We got some pretty cool, interesting cars here today, man. So let's get into some of the best ones here, shall we? Alrighty, guys. We have this Ford like F-150 pre-runnered out. Thing looks beastie. Got the big super tires on there. Big shop. All that good stuff under here. Big diesel. Big diesel in this joint. Oh my god. Dang. Wow. They got the joints today, boy. They got the gauges and stuff over here. Boost. What? Oh man, we gotta pop the hood. It say boost. If we can pop the hood, I don't know. Oh, we gotta take the pins out. I don't want to take the pins out, man. I'm gonna let them do it. This thing look, it look pretty nice. I like this matte black on it, man. I would definitely grab this joint. This thing got super room up in this joint, man. Ooh-wee. It's from Wyoming. Nice little race truck. Man, this thing is nice. I really wouldn't mind having this. Get one of these. Just go crazy. Go right to the sand dunes. Got no lights in the back. Good looking truck though, man. Wait till they pop the hood and let me see it. But what y'all think about it so far, man? Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys. If you guys tuned in last week, you guys already know about the 2001 Hyundai XG 300 with 131,000 miles. We seen that one already. It was here last week. Nobody picked it up. We have the 2005 Ford Taurus with 178,000 miles. The wagon style, nobody picked it up. We got a Acura, I believe this is like a TSX or something like that. 251,000 miles on the dash. First glance, headlights could be restored. Bumper is hanging on by like tape. More black tape over here. And this side's got a huge little woo wham / tequila kick. But I mean, other than the bumper hanging off, it looks all right. 251,000 miles. You got a $250,000 on that mug. No, you got a you got a $250,000 miles on that Joan dog. But it's got black leather interior. The front seat is pretty whooped. Back seats don't look that bad, but the front seats are pretty whooped. Nothing you can't really deal with, honestly. 251,000 miles. Yeah, it is the Acura TSX. I'm not sure of the year exactly. Do got a little whammy there. Then the paint is fading on this side, so you can actually fix that up and take it to Mako. Yo, what's up with the Phantom?
What's that?
What's up with the Phantom? Is going to auction?
Yeah, I wish.
Man.
No.
Oh, somebody just leaving it here?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool.
For the storage. That for cars. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was about to say, man, let me get my money. Let me go get a loan. That's funny. They got the Phantom and an M5 over there. I'm like, ooh, them going to the auction. But yeah, nah, you guys remember the 95 Mercury, 155,000 miles. The Chevy Venture is still here. Wow, she didn't even pick this up. She won this for like, I want to say 325 or something like that. So they didn't pick that up. So now when they come back to bid on it, they're going to have to like pay extra to even bid. But Ford Escape, it didn't sell. 184,000 miles. Yeah, a lot of the cars did not sell from last week, guys, but got a cool little Acura here, 199,000 miles on it. I don't really know. They don't have the stuff written on the windows, guys. So like you guys know, I'm always trying to be ahead of schedule and whatnot. But it's an Acura 3.5 with little fake gold BBS wheels on that joint. That thing look pretty nice. Got the little carbon fiber trim on the little door panels. If we take a look at the inside, it does have some nice leather gray interior, pretty decent. Pretty decent. Smells funky in it, junk, but got a sunroof. Get you some black ice in there. See what it look like under here. It look like they took. What the heck? V6. You would think they had like something done to this joint, but it's nothing done to it, and this hood is so heavy. Oh my god, you can get a workout with that, boy. But I mean, you got the gold BBS's, kid. Feel me? What y'all think about it? This was here last week. This was here last week. This Honda may be new. 220,000 miles. Yeah, guys, I guess we can't really, it's not too many new cars here. Even the Mazda is back. They didn't even pick up this. It's crazy. $131,000 miles. Yeah, man, if you guys want to see this auction of cars, just go to the last video, honestly, because it's only like 3 new cars here, to be honest, but it is what it is. Just look at the Phantom, dog. They got the Phantom here at the auction, man. Theft recovery. Ooh, 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 ooh. They got the M5 over here. A few more auction cars, but I don't think they're going in this auction. Alrighty, guys, we are back at the actual auction day, man, and it is raining out here, man, so you never know what you might get in this rain, man. I ain't been to an auction in the rain yet, so it's gonna be my first go around. We're gonna see how it work out, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I think we seen most of these cars last week, but if we didn't, we'll go over the ones we didn't see this week. Alrighty, guys, we got a 2014 Nissan Versa here, 89,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty cool. Does seem pretty legit. Super clean little car. If we take a look at the inside, we do have this black cloth interior, which looks pretty fair. I don't see anything that really stands out. Everything looks pretty fair, honestly. No body damage. 89,000 miles. I think this is going to be the star of the show today. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. So I guess we can finally pop the hood on this bad boy and look under this joint. Got a little air intake.
That often. Yeah. Just because of the weight.
Little shocks. Got some King springs and off-road parts and stuff like that. So, I mean, it does look pretty good. You got the little scrape bar right here. Man. I wouldn't mind freaking taking this thing off-road, though. Especially right now in this, like, good-looking rain. So, I don't know. We got a few more cars here, guys. It's not really more so like a walk-around. Honestly, it's just, like, pretty much the same cars from last week. So, I don't know. If you guys want me to bid on something, let me know. What you think will be the best bet. Yeah, all of these cars pretty much sold last week, man. This one is a new car. The truck and the car with the gold rims is a new car. Everything else was here last week, so